my friends. I hope you're doing well. I always say that, don't I? If you've never been to my channel, my name's Allie. I appreciate you being here. I'm going to do a Dutch pour with metallics today. Hadn't done one of those in quite some time, so here we go. I'm going to use black base. And we'll see what we come up with. So I'm going to blow this out. So I have copper, gold, and silver, and white. That's what I'm going to use. Okay, so let me pop some air bubbles because there are a ton, and a dog hair just flew right on top of my canvas. Okay, let's blow this. Blow all these bubbles out. There's a bunch. I've been shaking the paint. All right. So let me just start with, do like this, like I did on the other one. I think I did one not long, or just my last video actually. Do like this, like this. Now I don't know if I want, no, let's just try this, see what happens. Let's just do this. I'm gonna kind of make these a little thick, because since I'm not using that many colors, I thought I'd better. Then I'm going to put white. Gold. And I'm not sure if I want to repeat those. Maybe a small line of each. Big one, just a small one. And I think I'll leave the white and just put gold. I think I put enough white. All right, that is it. Never tried this with the metallics. I just want to put a little bit of this black around because I don't know if there's enough. All right, let's torch it and go for it. Here we go. the coolest. Oh my goodness, I love it. Now I wish I'd have done a different design. I'll do another, right? Wow. That's good. Now I sure do have these close together. I was gonna make them twist around each other, so I guess I'll just try that now. And it's gonna be a mess probably, but I will make it work. So I need to run my finger this way. And that's pretty cool. That is cool. Now I'm wondering if I should, oh, wrong button. I wonder if I should blow right here. Just a little. It's probably enough. Wow, this is very cool. What do y'all think? I love it. So this is making me think I need to try something different. Like this, I always do like this size canvas, like 16 by 9 to practice on usually. And it's so pretty that I have to do something different. So, wow, I love it. All right, well that was a short video, right? Y'all let me know what you think, and maybe I will, well, I like all the white, but maybe I'll put a thicker line of the metallics, the second layer that I did. Maybe I'll put it thick like I did the first, and then just keep the white the same, because there's perfect amounts, I think. All right, guys, this is cool. I'll show you the final at the very end if you want to see, but take care and have a great day, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.